Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am draw another drawing. This is the village house scenery. In this drawing we show village atmosphere. This atmosphere is very beautiful and peaceful. Today I am draw many things in this drawing. This is the house. This house is in this village. This is tree. This drawing is very beautiful and easy. This drawing will show many things. This is the sunrise scene. This drawing is very beautiful and very peaceful. I hope everyone like this video. In this drawing, we draw many things. This is the water lake. This is birds. Everything is very beautiful, pretty, and peaceful. I hope you enjoy my drawing. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.